Hello, do you know that could video from real? The one that by moving a real camera, they can control the camera on the game. So with a little bit of programming and an Arduino UNO and a gyroscope, I decided to make the same in Blender. The first step is making the gyro control the camera, which I've already made. In the video you can see the process. First, the module calibrates, and then you can control it with a gyro. As you can see, you can rotate the module in any direction and it will replicate those movements in Blender. This is a work in progress, so a lot of changes are yet to be made. As you can see, after a few seconds, the module is very responsive, so you can move instantly the camera, like if you were moving a real camera. So yeah, I only wanted to share it with you, the idea. What do you think about the idea? Is it cool? Let me know down in the comments. I will continue working on this idea, and I'm going to upload the process to YouTube. So hope you like it and stay tuned for more. See ya.